Welcome. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up an automatic Webflow blog. Essentially, what this is, you're connecting an AI, in this case, called Journalist AI with your Webflow blog, let's say. This is your Webflow blog, and the AI is automatically generating, right? Plus posting and indexing blog posts on your site. So these are individual blog posts posted to your site, right? Generated with the AI post it to your site automatically, and then we submit it to Google. All this autopilot to index in mean Google. Now on top of that, it also will syndicate your post automatically to your brand social media, right? Your LinkedIn page, your Facebook page, your Twitter page. So all these then automatically for you. Now, if you want to give it a step further, you cannot even automate this to do the keyword research for you. So it will tell you which keywords you should be producing content for. So again, I'm going to show you step by step how to automate this and essentially how to have an automatic AI Webflow blog. So first things first is you go to tryjournalist.com, right? You forget about all this and just scroll down to integrations and click new integration and then click Webflow right here. This might seem quite daunting, but it's quite simple, right? You just name your integration whatever you want. So let's call it my Webflow site, and then you have to get your API token. Now, this is super easy to do. If you have any questions, you see, not settings in Webflow, but just click here to watch tutorial, and you'll in 30 seconds be able to get this API token and add it here, right? Once it's added, you have access to this feature, right? Publish or draft. What does this mean, right? This means that once you activate your integration, right, AI will automatically send the blog post to your blog. So from the AI to your Webflow site, right? But it can send them in draft form, so you can approve them in your dashboard manually, or you can send them in published form, so you don't have to approve them manually, right? So you can choose whichever one you want. I recommend you just do publish. So it will automatically publish to your site. But again, if you want to go through the blog post in your web dashboard and approve them manually, you can do so as well. Just make sure to toggle this off, right? Once that's done, hit create and then go to Autoblogs and click new Autoblog, and this is where the fun begin, right? You name your Autoblog. Let's name this as my Webflow site niche, right? I select how many blogs I want to generate and produce. And I select the frequency of the posting every month, week, day, 12 or 6 hours. I select my integration, which should be my Webflow integration that we just created. I hit enable and I click create new auto. Now before that, of course, we have to set up a preset. But before going to presets, I'm going to show you how these articles that are generated using the AI Autoblog look like. So if I go here, click view, these are all done with AI right from top to bottom with the feature. Image to the interactive table of content. The proper content structure with key takeaways and article images, these are all done by AI. Also bullets, tables, quotes, external links in the articles, internal links in article. Videos there are relevant to what the content is about. This works for any niche internal links. External links, more content structuring, right all. This done with AI and can just scheme through these and can just click here to post them to my site one by one, or I can click here and post them all. In this case, all three to my integration. Now, back to presets. What a preset is essentially the info you're giving to the AI to be able to produce content. Just like the one that I showed you before. So click new preset. And these are all the steps, right? These are all the, I think, 9 steps you have to the AI. So give the input you're giving the AI so that the output is better. So the better the input, the better the output. It's quite straightforward. You name this, whatever you want. And then starting from the bottom is, do you want videos? If you do enable this, quite straightforward. Do you want images? Do you want featured images? Yes. Do you want in-article images? Yes, what type of images do you want? Stock photos? Google. Images, your own custom images, or AI-based images? If you do choose AI-based images, you can just There's also the possibility to give it a prompt, make them look realistic, illustrative, black and white. You can play around with this. Do you want external links? If you do enable this, what external links are, for example. If this is your article right here, if this is an article about finance, for example, external links will be links link out, for example, to Wikipedia, link out to, for example, to Bloomberg, maybe even TechWrench. So all these authoritative publications in your niche. Now, internal linking, if you want internal linking, it's quite simple for just internal linking right here and add your sitemap, and it will give all the links that the AI, as soon as the articles are posted, there's going to be links throughout the articles. We link out to the home page of the site, the other blog post pages, right? All the links that are inside the sitemap. Pretty simple for this is how set up internal linking, right? Then structure. You can set up a call to action, you can enable, disable all these sections, you can automate the headings or not, you can do the manual. If you would like, you can select the article size small, medium, or large. Then formatting, you can enable and disable bold words, tables, quotes. Knowledge, you can click here, just connect this to the web so that the content is up to date. Brands, pretty cool feature. You can enable a brand and create a brand, and by doing so, you're making sure that the content that's created and written is based on your brand. So it's going to be using your brand's tone of voice, your brand's mannerisms, your brand's images. Very powerful feature to produce non-brand, non-generic AI content. Now, speaking of content, you can click this tab to select the language you can produce content in over 150 different languages. Very powerful if you're targeting international market. This is very powerful. You can select the target country, select the creativity levels. Maybe you want more original content. Maybe you want more correct factual content. You can play around with this. You can change the tone of voice, you can change the point of view, you can even add custom instructions here. And finally, in the generation mode, based on the description, based on title, based on keywords, or if you want to give it a step further, you can select Keyword Monitor, and what? This is your generating content based on keywords that the AI found were best for you. So if you go here, Keyword Monitors, add your site, add your country, at your language, we will give you, based on your site, your competitors, and all this, a list of keywords with their difficulty and their respective search volumes. And you can have the AI produce content for your Autoblog based on the keyword research. So again, essentially what you're doing is you're connecting the AI with your Webflow blog. And it's doing the keyword research, then the content generation based on these keywords then. The content publishing, and also, if you want the content automatic, is indexed in. Google, you just go here to indexers and connect Google Search Console account, and we will automatically index your content in Google now. If you want to give it even a step further, you can select your social media, right? And we will automatically syndicate your posts to social media. We're going to post it to LinkedIn, Twitter, which now called X, and Facebook. All your posts that are posted to your Webflow blog site, automatically, we're going to be posting them to social media. Super simple. That's it. That's exactly step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to set up an automatic Webflow blog. So if you have an Webflow blog, you want to automate it with AI. Do what we call an autoblogging or autoblogger. This is the way to do it. Sign up for Journalist AI and create your amazing articles for free. Link is in video description and pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.